student, how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the study. So student, today we will continue this chapter, verb, singular and plural. So student, as you already know that you have already learned about this chapter, about this half chapter, verb, singular and plural in our previous video. So in this video, we will learn rest of the part of this chapter. So student, in our previous video you have learned about the verbs and the verb singular and plural. So student, remember that if the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should also be singular, and if the subject in a sentence is plural, the verbs also be plural. So student, let us read some more examples to see how verbs change forms to agree with the subject. So, singular and plural. There is a subject, singular subject. So, singular subject has always singular verbs. To the baby, it is a singular subject. So, it also has the singular verb, drinks. The baby drinks milk. And next one, the babies. Here is subject is plural. So, verbs also should be plural. Drink. The babies bring milk. The sari is red in color. The subject is singular. The verb also be singular. The saris, subject is plural. So, verb also be plural. Are red in color. The artist, subject is singular. So, the verb is also singular. Paints. The artist paints with water colors. The artists है यहाँ पे. Then subject is plural. Then verbs should also be plural. Paint. The artists paint with water colors. So student, the verb be has many forms. Be verbs, for example, is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. So student, singular, plural. It is also singular and plural. Subject, I. Singular, subject, used, singular verb, am, was. You, I have already told you in previous video, you always has a plural verb. He, she, it, singular verb, singular subject, singular verb, is, was. We, plural subject, plural verb, are, were. You, this include always plural verb. You, are, were. They, plural subject, plural verb, are, were. Let's see some example to make the thing clear. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. So, let's start. She, blank, an innocent girl. She is a singular, so verb also should be singular. Is. She is. I, am is used always with I. So, I am. Vani Sharma. We, it is plural subject. So, verb also should be plural. Are. We are happy to see you. Next, fill in the blanks with was, were. My grandfather blank an army officer. So, my grandfather, it is a singular subject. So, verb also should be singular. So, singular verb was. My grandfather was an army officer. Tanu and Rajiv. I have already told you, when the two nouns joined with and makes the plural subject. So, Tanu and Rajiv, it is plural subject. So, verb also should be plural. Tanu and Rajiv were good friends. Have were. The verb many forms. So have verb, singular, plural. Subject, verb. So I have is used with I. You always include in always has plural verb. So have. You have. He, she, it has. Has is used with he, she, it. Have used with we. Have used with you. Have used with they. Friends, let's see some example to make the thing clear. So fill in the blanks with has, have. First, we planned a library for toddlers in our play school. So student, we, it is a plural subject. So word should also be plural. Have. We have a library for toddlers in our play school. The basketball team. So it is a collective noun treated as single unit. So the single unit. So a verb also be single. Singular. Has. Basketball team has a new coach. Father, usually father, it is singular subject. So verb should also be singular. Has. Father usually has breakfast at 7 a.m. So student, the verbs do also has many forms. Do verbs. Singular, plural, subject I, use, do, you, with you, use, do, he, she, it, with he, she, it, does, we, with we, use, do, with you, do, with they, we use, do. So student, in this video we have learned about the verb singular and plural. Remember that if the subject is singular, the verb should also be singular, and when the subject is plural in a sentence, the verb should also be plural. So remember that also, you always has a plural verbs. So student, and we also learned that the many forms of the do verbs, be verbs, have verbs also. So student, watch the video perfectly and do the work properly. And dear parents, present with your child at the time when he is doing their homework and help it to do on time and send it on time also. Thank you.